Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, so I reached back into the locks that Steel Pinnings sent me, and I grabbed a lock from somebody I have not picked from yet, and that is K1 Locks. And he calls this one FishBone. Again, Steel Pinnings, thank you for all the locks you sent me. I really do appreciate that. This one here does work very smooth, extremely smooth. It is a Schlage style keyway. The bitting's not too bad on this one, but we'll see how it is. We'll see if we get in there, and well, we will see what he put in the lock for us. Alright, so we're gonna go on top of the keyway here, and well, we should be able to get into this. I hope it was, well, my favorite pick is one of my own. Let's see what we got here, guys. Alright, I think this is pin 3. Okay, nice little click from him. Alright, that was a little click off of 2. Got a little turn on that core. That was a couple more clicks from 2. I think I got a little bit out of 4. Pin 1 maybe? Maybe not. Leave him alone for a minute. Okay, that was 5, and we got a pretty decent false set going now. I'm feeling a little more counter back here. And we're open on 1. Awesome. Almost lost the tension wrench. This has a funny back to it, so I had to pull out this 303 head here. You can see that tailpiece, very large, and it would not fit in the other vice head. But alright, we are open, so let's check this out. Alright, let's lock it back up. Let's get this off. Looks like maybe he made this back to put on here. It is a little customized. That's a weird tailpiece. I've never seen one like that before. Alright, but we are open for business. Okay. Alright, let's see what we have. Turn that a little bit more. And there we go. Excuse me. Ooh, we see a very sharp T-pin in there, and pin in 3, and another one here in 5. And everything is working. Nice. See, it did some work there. Well, everything needed to be picked. Alright, let's see what we have. Let's dump these out. Oh. Okay, I see some nice pins there. I will show you these in a minute. Let's have another look at this core. Alright, so we see threading in 1, 2, 4, and 5, and nothing in 3. Alright, let's see what we have up here. Pin 1 is a standard. Looks like a copper spring or brass. Another standard here in 2. Same type of spring. Ooh, standard here in 3. We might be having all standards up top. So it was those T-pins and those spools here in the bottom giving me the deep fall sets. Very nice. Alright, pin 5. Yep, another standard. And all this, oh no, that spring is different. If those are copper, then that one is brass. Or vice versa. Yep, and another standard driver. All the springs are the same except for 5. Okay, I'm pretty sure there's nothing, oh maybe, hold on. Nope, nothing done down there. Okay, cool. Alright, let's check out these key pins. Okay, well, key pin 1, we have a nicely serrated in 1. 2 is a spool here in the bottom with another serration and some nice sharp serrations here on the top. And then 3 is this very needle nose T-pin here. And then 4, we have a very nice spool with a very sharp edge there on the top. And then 5, we have a serrated T-pin. Yeah, I would call that a couple of wide serrations, a couple of smaller serrations to a T-pin. And then we have all standard drivers here up the top. Pretty much all the same springs. 4 brass and 1 copper, or 4 copper and 1 brass. I'm not sure. But yeah, still a very fun lock to pick. And yeah, I'm surprised all that feedback I got from these key pins and the false sets and everything. Awesome, very fun lock. Alright, well, K1 Locks, thank you for pinning this lock up and sending it out to us in the community. Steel Pinnings, again, my brother, thank you for sending it to me. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everybody, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.